In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the list of journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or just someone managing your finances, QuickBooks Online is an incredibly powerful tool for keeping your books in order. One of its key features is the ability to review journal entries, which provide a detailed record of all transactions in your accounts. This process not only helps with auditing, but also ensures that your financial records are accurate and well organized. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now let's dive right in and go step by step. First, head over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left-hand panel, you'll see several options. Click on the one labeled Reports. This will take you to the Reporting section where you can access a variety of data summaries for your business. Next, navigate to the Standard Reports tab. It's usually one of the main tabs displayed at the top of the Reports page. Once you're there, scroll down until you find a section titled For My Accountant. This section contains reports particularly useful for accounting and bookkeeping purposes. Within that section, look for the option labeled Journal. When you see it, click on it to open the journal report. This report is automatically generated and gives you a comprehensive list of all the journal entries recorded in your QuickBooks account. Once the journal report is open, take a moment to review the entries. You'll notice that it provides a detailed breakdown of each transaction, including the dates, accounts, amounts, and other key details. This is an excellent way to ensure everything is recorded correctly. If you need to refine the data, you can use the controls at the top of the report. Adjust the date range to focus on a specific period, or apply filters to narrow down the information based on particular criteria. This helps keep your report clear and tailored to your needs. Now, let's say you want to examine a specific journal entry in more detail. Simply click on any amount listed in the report. This will drill down into the underlying journal entry, giving you a closer look at the transaction details. Once you've reviewed the report and made any necessary adjustments, you may need to share or save it. QuickBooks makes this easy with the print and export options located at the top of the report. You can print it out for physical records or export it as a file to share digitally. If you don't see the journal option mentioned earlier, it's possible that your user role doesn't have access to accounting reports. In that case, you may need to check with your administrator or adjust your user permissions. Finally, to save yourself time in the future, add this report to your favorites. This way, it'll be readily accessible whenever you need it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.